Today I'm at 77 Tor View. This is a semi-detached bungalow offering 3 bedrooms, some of them with wardrobes already fitted kitchen, plenty of room in the dining space and a large living room with a wood burning stove. The garden is enclosed and a reasonable size, and at the front here you've got plenty of parking on the drive and in the garage. If you'd like to find out more, watch the video and then book a viewing.